Hi Lanas, very good evening. Very good evening. Welcome to Unified Study. Here we are doing the complete analysis for the paper 1 which held on 25th 6 2025. Both shifts we are going to see along with the questions we are going to do. Yes, are you all ready? Yes. Hope the revisions that we have done here in YouTube classes, free classes and paid classes, many of the revision classes has been most useful. Hope so. So let's have the discussion. These are the question being asked in shift 1. Definitely the pattern is same for the second shift also. We can expect for the second shift students, even if we like it or not, chronology they have not left. So here we have got questions with respect to yes, very good evening. Even if you like it or not, we are getting questions from match the following. We are getting questions in terms of chronology. Very important in chronology, we are getting years. So all sorts of years we have consolidated and we have done. We have to go through those things. And the modern ICT teaching methods they have asked, and jigsaw cooperative learning strategy they have asked. Logical equivalent, most important, they have asked. Right? These are the questions asked in shift 1. And abbreviations with respect to higher educations. Yes. And we have done a separate classes for all the important mathematical reasoning like time and work, profit and loss, coding, decoding, everything we have done it separately. Please write just to recall and practice some problems. And in terms of Kyoto and Montreal Protocol, most repeated questions being asked from people development environment. As we from the learners, I've received that there are some questions which are very general, which sometimes can't able to attend. But there are some questions which we can attend like this protocols and like blue baby syndrome, regularly asked question, and question from argument, deductive, inductive arguments we discussed in the logical reasoning questions. Please do go through. And water treatment problem, for the last 2 to 3 times we are getting question from the sequence, water treatment plants, right? And we are question from sampling, types of communication, and fallacy, must formal fallacy and informal fallacy we have done. Please kindly understand the concept in the exam, where the importance lies in the conceptual understanding, right? So apart from direct question, we have got match the following, chronology based question and statement based question in large, to evaluate our logical understanding. And in terms of RC, it was little bit difficult in shift 1, but in shift 2 RC was said to be easy. And these are the questions being DI is easy in both the shifts, in shift 1 and also in shift 2. DI is easy only when we do the practice. So definitely we have done so many DIs over there. Just do the practice. Be calm. Definitely whatever we have learnt will be able to be like connected in the examination hall. But when we feel tensed or in fear, then we will not able to recall the things. Right? Okay, I hope I think you would have done well. And with respect to the shift 2, today evening shift 2 exam, we have got question from teaching method, assessment from rubrics, we have got a question, andragogy, lesson plan, MOOC, we have got a question. From research aptitude, coefficient of variance, last time we had one match the following based question, right? Coefficient of variance, we have got a question, mean, median, mode, we have got a question. And the steps of research, we have got one question. And from narrative research, that is different methods of research, from that we have got one question. So all the different methods of research I have consolidated in the types in a quick revision. Please do go through, understand the concepts enough. Communication, I think the question setters are most what to say that in both the shifts we have got question from cinema. That too from shift 1 we have got question from Indian cinema, and in shift 2 we have got question from Hollywood. And we have got question from formal and informal communication, and the 5 C's of cinematography was the question was being there. And the types of what is that, the types of communication, full duplex, half duplex, like questions we have. And ICT we have got question for the types of malwares like Trojan horse, virus, worm. Please try to have a difference between the virus and the worm. Virus, it needs a human intervention to make it spread, whereas the worm will self replicate itself and across the network. Please have that understanding. Morning shift we have got a question. And spyware can be by key logging can be an example of spyware. And from output ICT based output devices, we have got a question. And from DRAM, that is dynamic random access memory, which is resides in the used by the main memory, and we had a question from ROM. And all they are conceptual questions. Learners, please make a note of it. Higher education, we have got questions from Mechalis minutes 1835, and then UGC chronology, there was a question. And then with respect to PDE, we have got question from ACTS, and then not PhD level, it's pH level and water purification method. As I have mentioned, that wastewater management, solid waste management, water treatment, as last 2 times these questions was been there in the exams. Please go through those things for the upcoming exams. And next, from fallacy, we have got question from formal and informal fallacy as usual. And Indian logic, we have got question from he-to and square of opposition. Please, there are some important, most important, frequently asked things. Do revise the concepts, is most enough for us to attend in the examination, right? And then we have got questions from immediate inference, mediate and immediate inference. And the DI was also said to be easy in this shift also. And max, we have got questions from coding, decoding, and work days hard and compound interest. I always used to say every unit, definitely 3 questions will be easy out of that 5, right? For that 2 questions we have to work. Clear? So these are the important questions being asked in the both the shifts. In common, we have fallacies are being asked in common, and square of opposition being asked in common, and common things like in research, the types being asked in common, ICT devices being asked, and in terms of teaching aptitude, Swayam was asked in the first shift. Swayam was being asked, and in the second shift MOOC was being asked. And yes, definitely please try to learn the higher education institution years that we have done for in the YouTube classes. Please kindly go through those years, write it down. I'll tell you a simple practice to do it. Please do write it down. Okay, and learners, those who are going to appear for tomorrow's class, here I have brought some questions related to these topics so that we can have a little bit of practice. I hope we can do these questions now. Are you ready? Yes, those who are going to present for the tomorrow's exam. Yes, okay. So quickly we will do some questions so that will be a good practice for you, right? Yes, come on, let's quickly do the questions. Do this one quick. Just as a practice we can do it. A classroom with students from different cultural backgrounds cooperates by doing different parts of a project to reach a common goal is dash. Yes, do it. Just as a practice. Yes, very good. Quick. From types of sampling, we have got question. Yes, very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Yes, the right answer for this question is it is jigsaw classroom. Where? Jigsaw classroom. The right answer for this question is jigsaw, where the students from different cultural backgrounds cooperate by doing different part of a project to reach a common goal, and it is known as jigsaw classroom. Yes, very good. Next question. A question from lesson plan. Yes. Very good. Don't worry, we have a thought that no, I have not studied this topic is not in my mind, so many things will come, but don't worry, definitely it will be there stored in your brain. Okay, that is like an illusion where we feel that we have not studied. So please don't have that thought. Slowly when we recall, no, we can able to recollect it. Yes, don't worry. Yes, right. Very good. Yes. The right answer for this question is option number. Yes, option number. Option number 2 is the right answer for the components of lesson plan chronologically. It is design learning outcomes, and A, select the content and then select the pedagogy, and then we have to design the diagnostic methods and design evaluation. As we tomorrow the major subject like computer science we have, please go through computer related concepts which can be expected in the tomorrow's exam, right? Yes, we will also see some problems, some questions, but be ready to answer something related to computers, right? Number conversions, please go through. They may ask us, and they can also ask some questions from technology related question. So please kindly get ready. Next question. Yes, very good, very good. Yes, that's what I'm telling. Yes, very good. Yes, the right answer for this question is option number D is the right answer. Basic research, applied action and evaluation research. Where basic research is what? Expanding the knowledge. That's like our bulb is a basic research. Applied research where we used to apply solving the practical problems for my bedroom, for my study room. The role of bulb is different. And action research taking immediate problems so that I can improve the thing. And that is action research. And evaluative research access the program and doing some interventions. Right? Very good, very good, very good. Next question on board. Do this one. Let's do this one. Very important question from sampling. Sampling, know the types. I will explain after this question also. We have got questions from sampling also. Yes, very good, very good. Do this one. Simple sampling. Here the question is with respect to studying the hidden population. This is how they are asking question. Fine tuning the question. Terms. Terms. Yes, the right answer for this question is option number C. It is B and D. The answer is snowball sampling and key informant sampling. Hidden population means what? Where we are not able to identify which the population set is. That is non-probability sampling. Probability sampling, non-probability sampling. We have SSSC, system simple, stratified cluster, and non-probability sampling is the Supreme Court judgment quota. And key informant sampling where the expert will be selected on and then the research will be done with that one. That's key informant sampling. And here probability sampling is be worked on quantitative data, and whereas non-probability sampling works on qualitative data, right? And here probability sampling where the scales of measurement works on, right, interval and ratio data, whereas the non-probability sampling nominal and ordinal data will be the scales of measurement, right? So don't forget. And here the parametric test will be applied, and here the non-parametric test will be applied. Yes, remember. Very good. Next question. Question from communication. We have got from formal, informal communication and mass communication. We have got some questions. Yes, very good. Come on, quick. Very good. And if you got getting some questions which we have not, if you don't know, try to look at the question, try to understand the logic, and give some kind of, your intuition will say, right, go with that one. Say example, in our for this shift, right, evening shift, we have got question from cinematography shift, C's. what are the 5 C's of a cinematography. Where C's means what are all the C's will be there in cinema related things. Definitely in options we can able to find out, like camera will be there, cut will be there, cut will be there, and where we can have some close-up will be there. So these are all the things that we know it starts with C. So connect with those kind of options. Our intuition and logic will say is right. Yeah, for those things we need not to buy hard anything, right? The right answer is option number 4 is the right answer. This interview is interpersonal communication, and newspaper is said to be a mass communication, and a classroom is said to be again a group communication is the defined number. Meditation is a intrapersonal communication. Yes, very good. Moving to the next question, do this one. This is the question being asked in June 2024, and December we have got questions from a different set. This is with coefficient of variance. This is what been asked, I think so, in shift 2. Coefficient of variance. Yes, come on quick. You can use this formula. Standard deviation divided by the mean deviation. It's a pair of mean. Yes, this is the formula. Simply you have to apply, and we have to order it in the increasing order. Very good, very good. So simply what we have to do, 12 divided by 50 into 100, and then we have to do 10 divided. Yes, Minato, you are absolutely right. Yes. So we can relate. No, there are some things which we wouldn't have been studied, but with logic we can able to answer. Right? So such type of questions you can apply your logical thinking. It is not necessary, right? These areas we can be good, but our logic will say, because we have been exposed, right? That's why I am telling. So this is 24, and here this is equal to, this is 11 divided by 20, so 200 divided by 11, so this is this comes 1 carry 9 18 point something will come here, and next one we have 0 zeros gets cancelled. This goes for 3 times, this goes for 5 times, so 0 70 divided by 3, so 2 123 something, 0 zeros gets cancelled, 150 divided by 7, so that's equal to 221 something. So when I arrange it in the order, in the increasing order they are asking, so first one the B will come, and next one will yes, option number 2 will be the right answer, because first B will come, and next D will come, and next C will come, and then next comes A will come. Yes, have you done it? Very good, superb, good, yes, very good. Option number B is the right answer. Please don't neglect, because we have got the before question in this June 2023, a similar type of question being repeated in all the shifts, okay. So please don't ignore of doing this. Please kindly note it down. And in our quick revision class, I also given the set of formulas for all these questions. Please kindly do go through these questions. Okay, next question on board. Next question, do it. The chronological sequence of the following. Chronological sequence of the following. Yes, waiting for your answers quick. Very good, very good. Very good. Yes, the right answer for this question is option number 2 is the right answer for this question. First we had War of the Worlds broadcast, and then we had launch of Sputnik, and then we have appearance of social network sites, and then we have Facebook, and then we had Twitter. And ICT chronological sequence, we have this set. Please kindly go through once. Definitely you can able to recall it. Next question. Next question on board. Try to do this one quick. Yes. Application software. Yes, Priya. Every question, that one clue will be there. Very good. Yes, the right answer for this question is option number B is the right answer. It is Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox, application software, right? So Microsoft Office and Apache OpenOffice, because AppOS is a system software. Very good. Next question on board. Do this one quick. Okay, very good. How do I know that ginseng tea is a cure for common cold? Last week I had a bad case of sniffles. I drank a cup of ginseng tea and the next morning my sniffles were gone. Am I visible, Anas? Am I visible? Yes, I am visible, visible. Sorry, I thought I am not visible. Yes, the right answer is questionable cost. What do you make questionable cost? Whatever reason I make here, it may not be that case. It can be other things also. So the cost which I am telling there is a questionable one. Okay, that's what it's called, questionable cost. Slippery slope means, what does it mean? Taking to negative events, right? Next events will be the negative consequences. That is slippery slope. Hasty generalization means what? Having one case and generalizing everything in a wrong way. Hasty generalization. Straw man means what? Defending a person's position, the opponent's position. It's called straw man fallacy. Yes, very good. Next question on board. Yes, do this one. Next question. Do this one. Treating hard groundwater from initial step to final step in typical treatment plant. Water treatment plant. Water treatment plant. Water treatment plant. Yes, very good. Very good. Okay, very good. The right answer for this question is option number 1 is the right answer, CBDA. And we have a aeration, and then we had the softening, and then we had filtration, and then finally we will be doing the disinfection, right? Yes, very good. And today morning we had one question from this uranium, and there, I don't know exactly what the question is, but the uranium has 3 different isotopes, and which it has, am I right? Yes. The right answer for this question is option number. Why are all giving option number 2? It is option number 1, right? Yes. According to the morning, we had a question from uranium. There are 3 different isotopes of uranium. That is uranium 238, uranium 238, and then we have uranium 235, and then we had a uranium 234. Clear? Yes. And these are the major things that we use in nuclear reactors. Clear? Please make a note of it. We can expect question from uranium nuclear reactor. Do this question. Which are the following steps from beginning to end that occur in a nuclear power plant? Very good, very good. Yes, right. Very good. Here the right answer for this question is option number 1. What is here they asked in the nuclear power plant, right? So nuclear power plant, what they will do, either nuclear fission or nuclear fusion. In nuclear power plant, what they will do, either nuclear fusion or nuclear fission. Yes, we had this question. So nuclear power plant, now we are using nuclear fission to generate electricity. Note a point into it. Nuclear fission being used in the um, what is there in nuclear power plants to generate electricity. What is the nuclear fission process? FISSION, where they involve splitting the nucleus of an atom, that is typically an uranium will be used, and into a two smaller nuclei, and that splitting, right, they release an enormous amount of energy in form of heat and radiation. Clear? So here we use nuclear fission. Don't forget, we use nuclear fission, nuclear power plants. Here what right answer for this question is C. First, the bombardment of neutrons will be done, and next one, the absorption of neutrons by radioactive nucleus, and then what happen, the moderation of neutrons will be there, and the control chain reaction will happen, heat will be released. So the heat and radiation will be released at the end. Okay, right, and don't forget that uranium also. Very good, very good. Yes, nuclear fission. Very good. Next question on board. Okay. So with this questions I stop. So for learners, those who have the next upcoming examinations, I'll give you few tips. Do practice the years. By writing, do practice the years. What we did whenever we have been doing our schools and colleges, right? Do practice the years by writing on yourself. Don't work on the sources which is there on what is saying, like in printout or book, anywhere it can be, but try to write it. Don't read, try to write it. This is the first point I would like to say. Practice at least one DI, if can, a simple DI take. Don't take a complicated DI, where that DI it will be helpful for understanding the process there, right? And one thing which we can able to do at this time is, whatever you have studied well, whatever you have prepared on your own, revise that content. Revise that content. And the most another important is the fallacy, that you can revise fallacy, formal fallacy, informal fallacy you can revise, and do some square of opposition questions you can practice, that we have done here. And teaching aptitude, if you want to attempt, think that you are a teacher and then attempt the question, definitely you can get it. The questions are in the pattern of match the following, are in the pattern of statement based question, are in the pattern of chronology. Okay, so don't get panic when you look at this question. Definitely at least one option will be known to you. With that option you can make the right option get selected. So don't miss your marks in the known areas, that will be most hard for us. So try to concentrate on the question and give your best in the upcoming examination, right? So you can just go through these years and DIs. Don't do anything new, just go through whatever you have done before. Have a nice sleep. When you have tomorrow morning exam, take a nice sleep, do good prayer. Definitely the hard work which you have put over the long time, right, that will have a good fruit for you, that you will get. The science will give you back. Okay, so what you sow we reap, right? So definitely the hard work that you have sown, you have been invested over a long period of time, it will have a good fruit. So with that good word and good note, wish you all the best for all the learners, those who are going to have present tomorrow morning exam. The night itself, take everything, get ready, your dress, your things, photographs, hall tickets, and all the cards, whatever you want, water bottles, right? Take everything, get ready, and have a nice sleep. Get ready, go 1 hour early inside the hall, as I used to say every time. Don't look at others, only you and the system should be there in the hall. Focus only on your system, don't get distracted. Okay, so wish you all the best. Do well, and do share with your friends, those who are going to give the upcoming examinations. It will be useful for them. Okay, until then, tata, bye bye. We will see tomorrow afternoon tomorrow for the review. Bye. Don't forget, in the examination hall, you and the system only should be there, right? The visibility is only you and the system. Don't get distracted. Okay, just look at your system, look at the things. Okay, bye.